Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be starting out with this nail foil glue, and I don't know if this nail foil glue is bad quality or if I'm just bad at nail foils, because the way that I had to keep trying to make them stick, it was not easy to do this. I'm applying some foils that I can't remember where I got them from, but I'll probably find them. I don't know, but I already cut out all the pieces that I wanted, some flowers and butterflies. I wanted it to be leaning more towards a pink theme with the flowers, and with the butterflies I decided to do some more complementary colors to the pink. So I wanted it to be summery floral type of nails. Actually, now I think about it, it's more spring than summer, but still a lot of things bloom in the summertime. Some of those gaps that you see the foils missing, they never got filled in. I tried to fill them in with the foils, but it just didn't want to stick in those particular spots. But I did end up doing more to the nails to help them look better. After I have all that done, I'm applying a base coat and curing it for 60 seconds. It's to make sure that the gold foil that I'm gonna add sticks to the nail. I like to just use base coat for this. I'm applying the gold foil on all the clear spots of the nail. At first I was trying to apply it where I missed the foil at, but that's not a good idea, to be honest. I just put it in the clear spaces in the end. here's how that turned out, and now I'm going to be ombreing the nails. I've said this before, but when you're doing an ombre, you need to work with smaller, wetter beads. For some reason, it don't matter what nails I'm doing, I be picking up large beads for ombres. It's like I'm like right there. Don't do that. That's not the right way to do it. Small, wet beads, cause then your ombre is gonna turn out not the way you want it, probably. You can see I ended up taking the ombre like down pretty far, and I learned my lesson, because on this nail you can see me using like smaller beads. They're wetter and they're blending a lot easier. Now, after all of that, I'm capping the nails, and that's pretty much it. I'm just capping the nails. These nails were really satisfying to encapsulate, and I only showed the pinky, by the way. So for filing, I only showed me e-filing the nails, and I did the hand filing off camera, which I like to do that off camera. some reason I thought these nails was missing something. So I decided to get this gold glittery gel polish. I really like it. So I did like an outline of the nails. I just outlined them pretty much, and that's all the nail art. And that's the nails. I think they came out really pretty. I really like them. I think that this is something that I would probably do on myself in the past. Not now, but because it's not what I would wear now. But they're really cute, I think. But that's it.